Guys, today we got one of my friend's brand new mystery bag.
I got a hot dog. Where's your hot dog?
I didn't get any.
Look at my hot dog.
I didn't get any.
What do you mean you did get candy?
I did get candy.
I got
didn't get a hot dog.
Yeah.
Right. I got this bag from my friend.
Ooh, I got blue candy.
Well, technically my friend's mom.
I forgot
But
to
first, I'm gonna go open it. Somehow Katie already opened toys.
Yeah, I'm sorry, children. I thought we
I'm
were
gonna go
you.
get my scissors real quick.
Oh, I got the. Oh man, we did the little chewy thing we used to have when we were kids. I got carpet. And let's see.
Did you say about carpet?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, look.
I need you to tell you Tiffany.
Like,
Oh, is it bubblegum?
guys, I'm not gonna believe this.
Imagine.
I remember seeing this going viral. Like, it is. Oh, I'm gonna try this.
Oh, brother loves the really finger food. I also got this. Look, brother.
Oh yeah. Also, it doesn't matter how so I'm gonna do this outside.
Oh my God, jellyfish too. Wait for me. Actually. I'm coming, brother. Oh, look.
Well, let me try. You know, so I'm just gonna use scissors. I'm just gonna use scissors. I can't open it now. Somehow. I'm just gonna use scissors. Totally not.
I did it. I did it. Look at this. I don't think I like it. I take you. No, I don't like pineapple. Yeah, it tastes you to me.
Oh, okay. Guys,
Yeah, it tastes you.
guys, look what happened.
I'm not
I
sure.
got
if you
jelly
like
on
it.
my hand.
Yeah, I'm ready to get pussy and then it tastes you. Oh, we got a car. What's this thing in the car for? Jacqueline Young. Mend the
That's-
card.
Yeah.
Why would she get it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna put this away. This actually tastes horrible. I thought it was so good. It tastes good.
Oh, I got French fries. Where are your French fries?
Bro, do you want me to dump out my entire thing?
Oh.
Since my friend was super.
This is actually so cute. Look at it.
Look at how
Oh,
cute
I
it
think
is. Also like that. And my friend also was. My friend's mom was also so nice to get me this. Why? Wait, we both got that? No way. Let me look for that. Oh, and here's my poppet.
Now I'm gonna do it to you anytime you don't listen to me, brother.
Oh no, I feel like it's gonna happen with the Huntrix and Papa's songs they want me to listen to.
Yeah, anytime you don't listen to me, brother. I got a pizza. What did you get?
Oh, I got a Slinky.
Oh yeah, I got one of those too.
What the-
I got
why
pink color.
I'm trying to.
Oh yeah, you need to unlock it from the bottom or from the top.
Ugh.
Hey, they don't like you like I love you. Hey.
Did you say they don't like me like how they like?
Yeah, bitch.
What is this? I mean, hold up, what is this?
Oh, I thought there would be a lot bigger. Look, I saw someone saying it'll be today, but
Super sour.
Oh yeah.
We got something super
I
sour.
think it might be bubblegum.
There's only one way to figure out to try it. Oh, I got jelly on my t-shirt and I didn't even notice.
That's
Bleh.
it. Ew. Look, I got children. Look, we're gonna call you guys something. What should we call them? What should we call them?
The world's best viewers. Jump scare.
Let's call them a little. Turn it down. We'll call them our little shooting stars.
Did you say let's call them our little sugar dogs?
No, like shining stars. We can call them the shining stars.
But you'll be your teacher escorting you out of a game just for playing it properly. You'll be that one dumb teacher who escorts you out of everything. Get out. No, you're not meant to throw a ball in dodgeball. You're meant to dodge the balls. They're on the
They're just
ground.
throwing the ball.
Everyone out. Class is dismissed. And I also got this setup thing. I don't know what
Yeah,
this
I
is.
got one too. Let me set it up for you. The same way I'm about to set up. You're being way too loud, mate.
Hopefully no one watches this at full volume.
I will get them funeral if they did.
Make sure you're not watching these on headphones.
Or anything for that matter.
Oh, hey, look, I have a hot dog, french fries, and a pizza. I don't see your pizza.
Oh yeah, I do have pizza. Look!
Oh my gosh, look how long that splay is.
Yeah, I got a red one. Look!
Yeah, they didn't see that because you were shaking it. You know, someone actually might need to put up a whistle warning.
How the freak do you put a whistle warning?
All I'm going to do is just type it up in it since we don't know how to edit.
Also, I thought the K-pop Dating Hunter might be a last episode. I mean, a last video because I thought YouTube were gonna take it down.
Take us down.
Yeah, because I thought the update was today, but turned out the other day with the free unit. Oh yeah.
So that means Katie was lying that this might be her last video. You should get her.
No.
I'm gonna learn how to. Oh, do you?
Did you also get a card for the Infinity Tree?
I think that's what Jacqueline.
Did you get a card?
Wait, that's from our mom.
Yeah.
Did I get it? Oh, I think this is something you launch. Get ready for launch off. Woo-hoo. Okay, yep, definitely launched off.
Yeah, we launched it off, but we launched the brain off.
Did you say we had lunch on your brain?
Yeah.
And time for the OG Pop It. Wait.
I got a heart. Shoulder fan this?
Oh, just
Okay.
point it at the camera also. But wait, be quiet.
Okay.
Wait, be quiet real quick and let's pop some bubbles.
You your brother or OP.
Middle for something. Oh yeah, I forgot. We also have sticky hands in here. Oh, by the way, we also got this thing done by someone named DJ Billy. You will probably remember us after that.
I got a dog called what do you know? It had the same name. One of my two of my kids because they are short. Otto. Yeah, Otto.
Oh yeah, you have a pet balloon dog that. Sorry, he might die one day.
I'm calling the police on you.
Because
Is that Fred?
No, he's
Fred may die.
No, he's a balloon. He would pop one day. So you better draw a picture.
Fred may die.
Guys, if he pops, I'll make a video about it. And if
Okay,
there's
my
comments
girlfriend.
on, then I'll just say, guys, like and subscribe because the sad girl lost her balloon dog. I bet that'll be tomorrow.
What the freak? What
But
do you wish on my dog? Dead?
no, but you can slap me with your slappy hand. Yeah, retrieve anything you need. Oh, my balloon!
Hold on, let me show the fans. It's amazing. What the
Oh no, should pop. I mean, I didn't want you to pop anyways. I was planning to just go you and then.
Let me show the fans. This strawberry thing tastes really good. Like a play candy.
Nope, you're not allowed to have that. I scored. I wonder what else.
Oh my, we went into these. We used to have them when we were like younger. Like,
Oh, yeah.
Look. Let's try
Maybe
this
you should
sad
put
thing.
it right here so the viewers can have a better look. But they can't see that. Oh, right there. Bazooka.
Bazooka.
You know something? Let me go try my Razam.
Let me show you the butter gum we got.
I don't know if it's bubble gum, but you should try it.
Yeah, I'll try it. Why do you look like you made in the 90s?
That doesn't look like it's made. I swear, your one must be made in the 90s and it's probably already out of date.
It go out there on the 20, on the 25.
On 2025.
I hope the color that made it, I hope you know. Just take the vote, then the stuff, then.
What? Is that because you don't like sour candy?
No, I do.
Oh my gosh, why is it so sticky? Oh my god.
We're gonna eat all them before dinner.
I'm just gonna eat one, Dad.
We were showing
Just
us
eat
that.
one.
Yeah, we were showing Tito.
Oh, that's rough.
Did you ask Judy want any, sweetie?
And yeah, he got the and yeah, he don't want the marshmallows.
Oh, that's a little bit sour and
Too
rough.
sour. For him, sour.
I'm actually gonna like that. Those other made it soft though.
So hungry.
Dad, I hope you're gonna be a part of a video. You're gonna be famous. Yeah.
What do you mean by that?
Look at a video and then they would make it one. Stupid.
Wait, I have an idea.
And say with us.
Oh. There's a raptor on my arm. Oh, for a second, if I actually got it down. I'm trying to. Oh, hey, I got it down, but. You know,
They attacked on the brother. I attacked him with this.
oh,
Actually, he did me bad with you.
yes.
Can you believe they had a girl and a boy one there? Also, I kind of won the marshmallow for me and my brother. My brother owed me 50 pounds.
Actually,
Hold
I
on, let
was
me
too
sing you
shy
a
of that.
song. Let me sing you a song, brother. What the frick it doesn't yet?
It better not be copyright. Remember when I made your guys' ears wet? K.O.
Okay. We need to get you to that.
Wait, what happens if we sang those sentiments in this? Hey guys, like and subscribe to the channel if you want to. Oh, hey, that's cool.
The whistle was one of the best bits. I
Kinda
can't
try.
believe those. Also, I got French fries. I'm gonna eat some French fries.
Where's my French fries, you ask? In the bag. I feel something. Oh wait, never mind. That's just another jellyfish. I feel something here. You grab it out and it's wow. I got a cat. Bruh. I got a cat. Bruh.
You want socks? I got what is it? What the frick is it?
Is that a fidget spinner? You got one about telling the fans?
Yeah.
Here it is. Here's what you were trying to hide from us. Never hide anything from the fans, or else I'll face reveal you in front of all.
Okay, let's look up Play-Doh. Let me show you my beautiful Play-Doh that I won, not brother.
Yeah, because I was too trying to dance.
Yeah, I got the dance, but he got the stick.
Bruh. Also, guess what? I am not gonna dance out to Apple
So why haven't you been signed up for us?
Yeah, she had to carry me. Oh, guys, I have one of the fidget spinners. I thought this was gonna be those clappy hands. Clappy.
Okay, what were you most excited to get?
Oh, I was probably most excited to get the jellyfish, but now that I realize they taste horrible.
I know, how did I eat that?
Yeah, now you hate that you squirted it in your mouth. I thought these things were meant
I
to
needed
taste
the
good.
strawberry thing to help me get rid of it.
Oh look, I'm slapping my thing. You might not see it, but it's actually on the front of the camera. You can't see it. Oh hey, I think I moved the camera a bit. Guys, tell me if I'm moving the camera. I wonder if I can try and get the button that says 1x.
Oh wait, oh yeah, I got a cat too. Do you want to? Wait, no, that's a hamster. Do you want a hamster or a cat, brother?
Let me see.
Yes.
Hamster's better than cat.
Hello! It's so cute! Why do you not want it?
Because it's a little too girlish for me.
No.
Right, what's...
It's nothing too girlish about it.
And of course the last thing is going to be another jelly flip.
Ew!
But at least it's orange. I mean, I would eat it.
They take the same?
No, they don't all taste the same. Anyways, I'm just gonna put everything back except for the whistle. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna make your ears bleed at the end of this video. Just joking. I'm not gonna do that. But I could. Also, I did get those little things with a bunch of sweeties in it. Just save that for. Hey, you sprayed me.
I accidentally played my brother.
You
Do you want
sprayed
some?
me.
Do you want some strawberry perfume on you?
No, that's not perfume.
Go try some strawberry.
Katie, I'm sorry to say, but
Do you want to eat some strawberry or try
no,
some of your
Katie,
blueberry?
no, Katie, I'm sorry, but that's actually poison for dogs. I have bugs. No, you got
Can I try some of yours?
Sorry, I opened it the wrong way, and it actually just opened up bursting.
I know how to open it for you.
Hold up, I'm already digging open it.
Open your mouth.
No.
I dare you not taste some of my strawberry.
I want to taste blueberry.
Oh no, what's the bitch is?
What?
That at 17%, even though at 17, even though that usually it go up by now. How good for you, Dylan?
Oh no, that's because I cancel every single video at 10 minutes. But since we have a little bit more things to do, we have to do it at this time.
What do you mean? We already did it. We already did it all, brother.
Oh no, we only have one more thing left for me to try Raspberry Mega Mouth. But I can open it.
I can open it.
Please do it for me, sister. I've never hated you.
If you had,
What do you mean by that?
you already eaten.
No, I don't.
You wanna see if we can catch more seconds still in a role play game?
No.
Okay.
Oh, it's about to be 20 minutes. That's probably our longest video. Hey, what are you doing? That's mine. That's, I'm gonna break your nose.
We didn't actually taste any. And then taste. You wanna taste some of mine?
No, I want to taste this first.
Can I taste some of it?
You can have what's left. Nothing's squirting out of it. You just.
Can I take some?
No.
I'll let you taste some of my strawberry.
Okay, but that doesn't mean you're getting any of this.
What do you want from my potato?
Nothing.
I'll let you
Is it a strange I'm just recording with when it's sticky?
come outside. I'm gonna blow my whistle with you. Come outside. Come outside. Also, bring your tablet. Bring your tablet.
Are you sure? Okay, guys, warning, this might bleed your ears. Kate, don't look at the camera, by the way. You know how to face reveal yet. No, how to face reveal. Someone's literally at the... Someone's out. Did you notice two people now?
Okay. Okay, they're done doing it, brother. Let's do it outside.
Okay. But first we need to do the ending of the video. If you like that video, like and subscribe. Now bye guys. See you later. When she probably busted her balloon. Yeah, I know.